Hey everyone, it's Ellis and I'm doing this video to announce a special competition. We're going to be giving away one free studio day worth £450, a half studio day worth £300 and free one-to-one lessons, value undisclosed. But yeah, to win it, all you need to do is write a really interesting comment below of what you would like to see on the channel, how you think it could be improved, maybe some suggestions for content, because I'm really looking to grow the channel and get new ideas, and I thought, hey, I need the help, so what better to kind of bribe you guys with a competition. So yeah, the best answer will win the studio day, the second best will win the half studio day, and then the three runners-up will receive a one-to-one lessons. I'll be announcing the winners in my next video. So as I said, all you need to do is drop a comment. The winners will also have to be subscribed to my Instagram, so like my Instagram and follow my Facebook. And my YouTube manager will go through all that with you guys. So yeah, if you want to win, you know what to do, and I'll be announcing the winners very soon.